Ever wondered how to control which countries your YouTube channel seems to be based in? Let's get right to it. First, head over to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube and then selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look for the settings option at the very bottom left of the screen. Give that a click. A new window will pop up. From the options on the left side, select Channel. You'll likely be on the General tab initially. Make sure you're on the Basic Info tab within the channel settings. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Country of Residence. This is where the magic happens. Click on the drop-down and either choose Unlisted if it's available, or select a completely different country than where you're actually located. This can help obscure your channel's perceived origin. Remember, if Unlisted isn't an option, you can quickly select one country and then immediately change it to another to effectively hide it. Now, very important, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the settings window to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden or altered the perceived country of your YouTube channel. See you in the next one.